My babies are ready. It smells so good, guys. Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys what I eat in a day once I'm actually up. Okay, so I think I'm up now. That's a lie. Get up, girl. Okay, I'm up now. So the first thing I consume is some H2O. This keeps my body hydrated and helps to promote a sustained flow of blood to my skin and releases toxin from my body. The first thing I'll show you guys is what I make for breakfast. Okay, so I'll be making frittatas or mini frittatas rather for breakfast. So I have my scallion, my tomato, spinach, sweet pepper, onion, and some parsley, I guess, for garnish when I don't and at the top. And of course, can't have frittatas without eggs. And I'll be adding some cheese. So that is that on that. Guys, I only used 5 eggs because of the amount of filling that I use. So if you're going to use more filling, use less eggs. And if you're going to use less filling, use more eggs. And also remember to sprinkle a little bit of salt to taste. Okay guys, so you have to grease the muffin tin so that the frittata do stick onto it when we're taking it out. Alright, so guys, now we're gonna add everybody in. So I'm gonna add the spinach at the base first. I mean, I guess it's kind of healthy-ish. And then I'm gonna add tomatoes. So for those of you guys who eat like bacon and chicken bits and things like that, you have the option of including that as well. Okay, so I have bulgur in this jar. Okay, so I'll be cooking bulgur along with saltfish and bean. This is truthfully, I usually use any type of baked beans, but it so happened that I have this vegetarian baked bean. Yeah, It's a good source of fiber. My salt, fish, and beans. You just go and simmer down, you know? And this is lunch. I didn't show you guys how I made the bulgur. It's a rice replacement, so it's pretty much the same steps like when you're making rice, just a healthier version. Yeah, so I usually wash that down with some water. You will see that I have some lemon slices in it. Usually I put lime, but whatever works, it makes the water taste better. After lunch, I'm always wanting a snack, so today I chose to have a healthy snack, some pomegranate, aka panganut. So just watch how I make it look all cute in my little bowl. Okay guys, so I brought an orange and an apple. That was supposed to be a part of my breakfast, but so now I'm gonna have this sunshine snacks chia and flax biscuits. They have a barbecue one. It tastes really good. The barbecue one is so good. I'm gonna have this until I make dinner. Snack. So for dinner I'll be making a little burger. This is called Anu Vibes Burgers. I've had the vegan balls before. It's so good. Oh my god. So I decided to try the burger this time. I haven't had it before, so this is gonna be my first time. And I'll be very honest, if I don't like it, I don't like it. So in the meanwhile, look what we still have in my house here. Christmas cake. Who will still have Christmas cake? Alright, so you know me, I have to carry out the biggest, baddest chef round town. So mommy, I mix up her little sauce right there, so. And then we're gonna heat this on the stove top so it can cook and, you know, simmer down and make all the flavors come together nicely. And then we'll place the burger patty in it. I'm using some of the sauce to coat the bread. You know, let all that sauce soak in. My burger looks so juicy. Who wants a bite? Who want some bad. Now for the taste test. Tastes good. Test part 1. How it tastes, girl? Oh my god. You're funny. And of course, just wash it down with a nice tall glass of water. Crystal punch. H2O. Okay guys, so if you stayed until the very end where you see this, big up yourself and comment down below MVP, because that's what you are, a real MVP. Zine? So you guys have seen what I've eaten. And this day, usually I would have eaten like a fruit in the morning, but it was a kind of hectic morning for me, so I never got a chance to eat my fruit. And I don't want you guys to think that I only drink water. It's rough in these streets, so sometimes I drink juice as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below the type of video you want to see from me. Until next time, bye. There's a piece of cake out there, I'm not telling you no lie, piece of coconut cake. I feel like I'm gonna eat it.